Uè, itani agita, uisha she, manika juti. Wita tikiri nika shika akiaba. Pinomba kisto pete. Okuwita, joshape. Nika shika towa akiaba ibini shika nika shika mi. Nika shika ni washake okota we. Alright, I'm going to show you how I make my feather to go on the back of my cap, or you can make a roach as well. So I'm gonna hook it up and show you how to do it. Very easy. Check this out. Okay, what I have here is some feathers, nice feathers that's in good condition. I have some plumage right here. Over here, what I have is that I picked up in the back of my yard. It's a turkey feather. These are some hawks, some doves, and they are in pretty good condition as well. And I'm gonna make a headdress out of that. All right. Also, what I have here is some sinew and some glue, some string, and some thread. All right. Okay, right here, I'm putting some white plumage on the front and the back, and then I'm gonna wrap it with the string. So now I'm wrapping it with the white string. Okay, I cut me a piece of leather scrap, put a little glue on it. Okay, and I'm gonna take this front and back, and I'm gonna glue it down. Front and back. I'm gonna leave a little opening there so I can put a hook on the bottom of it. I'm gonna let this sit here and dry for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna wrap it tight. Okay, so now I got glue that I'm put on the outside of it. I'll put some strings on here. Alright, now I'm gonna wrap that tight. Okay, right here I'm gonna put my beads on. Put some red, some yellow, and some blue beads over the string here. All right, make sure they're even, just like that. Then I'm gonna put a clamp on it to hold it down. Okay, so these are my bag of clamps that I'm putting on here to hold my beads down. What I'm gonna do is take this and open it just a little bit. I'm gonna slide this down through the string. Just like that. And then what I do is clamp it down in place. A little too tight there. All right, just like that. And there we go. Okay, so this one is finished and getting ready to go to my next one. Okay, I got my leather string. I got it cut right here. I'm gonna take these 2 pieces here. I end up cutting 2 pieces. I'm gonna measure like this. I'm gonna fold it in the middle, so I can end up with from 2 strings to 4 strings, just like that. So now I got 4 strings. I'm gonna put it on my feather here, and I'm gonna have 4 hanging down. Then I'm gonna put me some beads on it, same way I did the other one. I put my plumage on there. I took 2 strings, cut it in half, made 4. Put me some beads on it. And later on, I'm gonna put a hook on it so I can put it on my hat. Okay, so I got this one finished. That's what it looks like. Got the beads on it, got the strings on it. So now I got 2 down. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna take these little clamps right here, just like this right here. That's what I'm gonna hook it to the back of my hat to hold it down with. I'm gonna take these little circle rings just like this right here. Let me see if I can show this. Here we go. These little circle rings like this right here, I'm gonna push it into the hat so I can put my clamp on it. Okay, I'm gonna take this little clamp right here. I'm gonna clamp it in the back of the hat. Alright, so now I got a clamp on here. I'm gonna clamp it down. Alright, now I'm gonna take my feather, and what I did here, I left a little hook down here at the bottom. If you can see the hook, let's see, right here at the bottom of the feather, little hole, and I'm gonna hook this onto the back of my hat with this clamp on it. So here's a clamp right here, and I'm gonna hook this in here, just like that. So now I got a feather on the back of my hat. Now I can do more than one the same way, or I can combine them on a string and make a roach out of it. That's a feather hat right there. Alright. Okay, so now I have 4 of them made. All 4. Good to go. So right here I have a string attached to it and have it tied to my head, but I'm gonna take the string off of it later on and attach it to a piece of hide. So here I have the beads attached to a piece of hide that I had laying around, and I will eventually cover that hide up. Okay, so now I'm finished with it, and I thank you for watching. We kayeye atowe kanike we na. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. All right, this is it.